Hi there, Patrick from 3D Prints here. As we are finally back from our baby break, I just wanted to give you a short overview about our recent projects. There is also a coupon code at the end of the video. Although there are already a lot of filament tests on YouTube, I decided to create my own thin wall specific one. It's basically an Arduino based scale which measures the pressure on a defined specimen and a dial gauge which shows the corresponding bending. It can also be modified to make an impact test and compare the impact resistance of different materials. I'm planning to test specimen made from PLA, PETG, ABS, lightweight PLA and hard-grade TPU in the first instance to compare them. Also, we are working on an update for the Longboard which affects the main wing sections. There will be a version which you can print with a 0.6mm nozzle with a minimal amount of retractions to reduce printing time and increase stability a lot. Prepare for a super fast and super clean lightweight PLA print. Last but not least, we are working on this 4-axis foam cutter, which has originally been designed by R.C. Keith. Check out his homepage and YouTube channel. This man is a true inspiration. We adapted the design so that the most parts can be 3D printed and assembled with regular wood screws. The foam cutter itself will be used to test hybrid designs. 3D printed parts meet foam parts. It's kind of an experiment and we are curious about how it works out. If you want to check out our webshop, there's a discount which will last until October the 24th. Just use the coupon code WEAREBACK written in one word and save some good money. Subscribe to stay tuned on our projects and new 3D printable RC airplanes.